What's up, Tech Zone family? Everyone wants that cinematic look for their videos. But let's be real, handheld phone footage usually looks like a shaky mess. DJI just dropped their 2026 lineup, and now we have the Osmo Mobile 7, the Osmo Mobile 7P, the Osmo Mobile 8. They look almost identical, but one of these has a feature that changes everything for iPhone users. Today, I'm breaking down which one you should actually put your money toward. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about the big dog, the Osmo Mobile 8. The headline feature? 360-degree unlimited rotation. Previous models would hit a stop point, but the 8 just keeps spinning. If you love those Inception-style shots, this is your best friend. But the real game changer is Apple DockKit support. For years, we've been trapped inside the DJI Mimo app to use tracking. With the Osmo Mobile 8, you can track your face directly in the native iPhone camera app, TikTok, or even FaceTime. It is a massive workflow upgrade. Now don't sleep on the Osmo Mobile 7P. This is the Pro version of the 7. Why would you choose this over the 8? It comes standard with the Multifunctional Module. This little block gives you a built-in fill light and a microphone receiver that works perfectly with the DJI mic series. Plus, the side wheel gives you tactile control over zoom and focus that feels much more professional than a slider. Then we have the standard Osmo Mobile 7. It's the lightest, it's the most compact, and it's the cheapest. You lose the built-in extension rod, but if you're a traveler who wants to pack light and just needs steady shots without the extra bells and whistles, this is the value king of 2026. So, the verdict? If you have an iPhone 12 or newer, get the Osmo Mobile 8. The DockKit integration alone is worth the extra cash. If you're a solo creator who needs lighting and audio built in, go with the 7P. And if you just want smooth video for the lowest price, the standard 7 is still a beast. Which one are you picking? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join the Tech Zone community for more gear reviews. I'll see you in the next one.